What's up everyone, I'm Saurabh Mazid and this channel is your go-to guide for travel destinations, tips and inspirations. This is the second video of a series where we focus on the essential items that you need to pack for any trip. Everything that you need and nothing that you don't. In the first video we covered absolute essentials, documentations, finances and accessories. Make sure to check it out. For all the products that I mentioned today, I'll provide the links in the descriptions below. Without further ado, here's my list of the essential items that you need to pack for travel, part 2. Category number 1, electronics. Since the power outlets vary in different parts of the world, you need to bring a power converter. This one that I have is compatible with most regions. This is also one of the very first items that I pack. Nowadays, no one travels without a cell phone. This is probably the most essential item on the list after your passport. A quick tip is to download the map of the destination in Google Maps so that you can use it even when you're offline. I have T-Mobile for my cell phone service. With their Magenta plan, I get free international data roaming at 210 countries. Please note that this is not a sponsored video. T-Mobile, call me. Make sure to bring a nice camera with you so that you can take those gorgeous Insta pics and killer videos. You can bring a DSLR or a small point-and-shoot camera. Since iPhones now have really nice wide-angle lenses, I've started to use that as my primary camera. That's one less item for me to pack. A pair of noise-cancelling headphones will block out surrounding sounds. If you have a Bluetooth version, make sure to bring in your auxiliary cord so that you can watch movies on the plane. You can also save your Spotify and Apple Music playlist. In that way, you can listen to them offline. Bring a laptop only if you're going to be away for a few weeks, need to edit and upload videos to social media, or need to get some work done on the road. Otherwise, bring a tablet to keep it light. You can also download movies from Netflix and Disney Plus in order to binge watch them offline. Bring multiple USB chargers with you. Keep them in separate places in case you lose one of them. For example, pack one of them in your backpack, one in your carry-on, and the other one in your checked-in baggage. Lightning and micro USB cables for charging your devices. I usually tie them up with a rubber band so that I can hold them in place. Bring external hard drives to back up your data. Battery packs are also a lifesaver, especially for the days that you're going to be on the road all day. Category number 2, in-flight gear. Bring a nice journal and a pen with you so that you can document your travel experience and how you grew as a person. Document whenever you have some downtime, for example during a flight or a train ride, because you'll be spending a lot of time just waiting. I might be old-fashioned, but I like packing actual books for my trips. Here are a couple of recommendations. The Last Dawn by Mario Puzo or the 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. If you want to pack light, you can always download the books to your tablet or Kindle. Let us know in the comments below, do you bring actual books to your trips or just read them on your Kindle? Eye shades to block out the light during your power naps. Bring a water bottle that you can refill. Not only can you save money, but it's also good for the environment. You can also use a clip to hang it on the side of your backpack. For easy access to all my things, I also bring a small organizer bag. As a reminder, the links to all the products are included in the descriptions below. Category number 3, toiletries. Please note that everything in this category are catered towards both men and women. As a result, I won't be covering things like cosmetics or a beard trimmer. Bring a toothbrush, shovel-sized toothpaste, face wash to keep your skin glowing, bring a nail clipper to keep your nails clean, and chapsticks to keep your lips hydrated. Bring a deodorant to take care of the smelly armpits, a body spray. In order to keep smelling nice, you can also bring a cologne or perfume. Here's one from Burberry that I bring, and here's one from Armani that my wife packs. I pack a few 3-ounce bottles to store my liquids, for example face wash, body lotion, etc. I also pack a few Ziploc bags and put my liquid toiletries in them. In case I need to put them in the tray during security check at the airport, they're also very convenient for storing other stuff. And finally, a toiletry bag to keep everything organized and in one place. Depending on the length of my trip, I either bring this one from Bulgari or a bigger one from Kenneth Cole if I'm going to be going for a while. Well, those were the essential items that you need to pack for your trips. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Links to all the products are included in the descriptions below. To summarize, today we covered electronics, in-flight gear, and toiletries. Make sure to check out part number 1 where we covered absolute essentials, documentations, finances, and accessories. The links on the site will take you to other videos with more tips and hacks. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in our next video.